everyone! You might be wondering why I have sticky slime in my hand. So, I said I'd do something for 50 subs, so what I'm going to be doing for 50 subs is covering my hands in sticky slime and be filming me trying to get out of sticky slime. Okay, so we got sticky slime on my hands right now. I'm going to be trying to take off most of it. Okay, there's some on my table. I'm going to be trying to get that off. Okay, here we go. So, there's slime in my hands. Can't see the slime in my hands. Wait, this hand's kind of like uncovered. Come on. Got this. Wait, okay, this hand's kind of like vibing. Well, this hand's like not vibing. I feel like I'm making it worse. Am I making it worse? I think I'm making it worse. Oh. Wait. Look, it's actually like vibing. I like it. I like it. Wait. Hold on. It's really not that bad. To be honest, not too bad. Wait, look at my hand. It's not really that bad. I feel like this. Hi everyone. Well, I forgot to do my intro. Hey everyone, my name's Kaylin, and today I'm going to be covering my hands this time for 50 subscribers. Next milestone is 50. I mean 100. Sorry, 100. It's 100. So this hand's completely clean. This hand's not. Okay, I'm gonna try and rub it down. Ready?